Hello, in this lecture we will take a look at the logic of SQL Server SQL syntax. So we will basically be looking at if statement and then the statement called case. So let's start with a simple if statement. Let's declare a variable and then let's set one. So let's do declare, let's say tst, and let's do it as an integer, and then let's set it. So let's do set add tst, let's say to 5. Now if statement is very easy to do. It's almost like any other language. You do if, say ts add tst equals to 5. Now you see one difference when most other languages is that you only write equals once. You don't write equals something. You only write that character once. And then after that you don't need to write anything. You just do your thing, do what you need to do. So let's say select, yes. And then if you need something else, you select else. You do else, and then you select, let's say, no. And now let's try to run it. As you can see, we get yes. Now it's very simple. It's not that interesting. It's like any other language. But what SQL Server has, a bit more interesting thing that it has, is this case statement. So you can select stuff according to different cases. So let's say we already have those variables, and let's do the case statement. So you do select, first of all, you do select, and then you do case. So the case is tst, and then let's try to do then. That is then some value is equal to tst. Then you do something. So it's then and then w and then t. So let's say it's 5 and another one then. So again, one with w, the other with t. So if that is true, then let's say select yes, like that. So let's try to run it. And as we need an end. Actually, we need to end it. You always need to end the case statement. So let's do select end. Now the reason you're ending is because you might do some more elaborate selection. You might be actually selecting columns from the tables, so you can experiment and try all that as well, because you could write, say, from the test table we want, not test database, we need test database, and then, well, you will see all that. We need from, and then you could do where as well. But the case is usually used for the column selection, and also it can be used for the database, for rather the table, and also in the where statement. It is a popular use case. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.